What is the difference between a decision in principle or mortgage promise compared to a full mortgage application? So, decision in principles are the very start of the process. Once you have spoken to your broker and they've done what they call a fact find, so who you are, where you live, where you work, what you earn, and they have all of those questions and they've got your documents to back that up, the next stage from there is to apply for a decision in principle. And that's stereotypically what estate agents want to see when you're out looking at houses. So a decision in principle is the broker providing all your details to a bank, and based on those details the bank is going to do a credit search. At that point they wouldn't have done any valuations on any houses that you're looking at buying, and they wouldn't have asked to see any documents usually at that point. So it's quite literally dipping your toe in the water, and based on that application, if they're happy with the information provided and you pass the credit check, they provide a certificate which you can give to estate agents, and they will that's their way of knowing whether you're suitable to getting a mortgage or not. The difference between that and a full application: the full application, we've narrowed down which lender we're going to use fully. That lender would have instructed a surveyor to go and value the property that you want to buy, and they'd have given the broker a bucket list of which documents they want to see to back up the application that's been put in. So with an agreement in principle, to a certain extent, the information you can key it in as you see fit, but the main difference with a main mortgage application is, have you got the paperwork to back up that application, which is really, really important. And that's going to be the big difference when people go online and get agreement principles and when they come and see a broker. Hopefully, when they've seen a broker, they'd have been able to get the paperwork first up front to make sure the information they're putting into that application is accurate. But decision in principle, very, very beginning. Full mortgage application is way more in depth, and that is the next stage. But make sure the initial information that you're providing first is accurate.